First, you'll need a prompt. I've already put the full prompt on my website, and you can find the link in the video description. Before using it, replace these 3 parts: the first color and its name, the second color and its name, and the final mixed color along with its name. Not sure which colors to combine? Just ask ChatGPT and it'll give you plenty of ideas. Now let's generate the video. Go to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Create a new project, then switch to video generation and choose Ingredients mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. For the model, choose Omni Flash. Then set the duration to the maximum, which is 10 seconds. Next, paste in your completed prompt. Finally, click Send and wait a few minutes while the AI creates your video. And that's it. Your satisfying color mixing video is ready to post. Now imagine making a whole series using different color combinations. Which colors are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.